welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Now today we're coming to the end of a short recipe video series for some sandwich recipes that I've been making. So I'm going to put the links for those videos right here. And today we're going to be making a Chinese style slow cooked pork belly sandwich. So it's got some really fantastic textures and some flavours of China, and this is a sandwich recipe that can really impress or wow if you're entertaining. So let's get right into this recipe. Okay, so to start we've got beautiful baguette that I've taken from a bakery down the road from me. So we'll get that warming in the oven. And we have our spiced pork belly. So I've taken this pork belly and I've braised it for 4 hours in some star anise and some coriander seeds. And now I'm just going to reheat by frying. Okay, so we've got a really good sear and a crispy skin to our pork belly. And now to prepare some pickled red chicory. So we have a liquid which is red wine vinegar, some sugar, a little bit of water to let down. We basically turn that into a syrup. So you've got that sweet and sour flavour going into that bitter chicory. Take that out. Okay, so with our pork belly crisp and resting, and our sweet and sour pickled chicory, we're going to make a umami mayonnaise. So I'm going to take a little bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, fish sauce, mushroom ketchup. Umami kind of finishes off our 5 tastes that is prevalent in Asian, especially Chinese food, as you have the sweetness from the syrup going into the bitterness of the chicory, sourness of that pickle going into the savouriness of umami. Our baguette is ready from the oven. Spiced pork belly. Middle. Open up our baguette. Let's take our mayonnaise. Next we'll take pickled chicory. Take a little bit of spring onion as well, just to finish. And here is our Chinese spiced pork belly sandwich.